YouTube. Today I'm going to install the wiring harness for my driving lights, which is right there. It should be straightforward and simple, but to make it easier, I removed the grill because I want to hide the wiring behind here. So we'll start by checking out what we have to work with. As you can see, this is the switch. This goes inside the car. I'm going to put this right next to the light switches in the car, so it'll be easy access. And it goes into the car. And this is the relay. I'll have to get a screw and bolt this somewhere out of the way. Then you got negative and positive wires to the battery. And then the rest runs to the front. And you can see lights number 1, lights number 2, 3, and 4. And that's plenty of room. As you can see how long this harness is. There's plenty of room to fabricate it, starting from the front, inside the car, running through the firewall into the engine compartment, mount it close to the battery, hook up the positive and negative wires, and then run the rest to the front so I can run the wires. Now where I'm going to put the driving lights is, I'm putting driving lights here behind this grill here. I'll have to get some brackets to make it fit. I'm going to put one square fog light in this area right here, another one in this area right here, and then the other driving light behind the grill right here. Now that we got everything looked over, let's install it and see what it looks like. Okay, here is where I just located, I just posted the light switch. I put it right here. So if I wanted to hit the fog lamp, bam. That's a nice little location. And it doesn't stick out as an aftermarket toggle switch because, like I said, it's the same color as everything else in the car. And it's very subtle. Now let's show you what the wiring looks like inside the engine bay. This is preliminary. I'm going to zip tie a lot of this up so you won't see it. As you can see here, it runs along the side, in, and I'm going to have, the grill's going to cover up this so you won't even see it. And I'm going to tuck this in under here and run through here. It's going to come through a hole right here. This is just where I'm just test fitting everything. And as you can see, the wiring will end up behind the grill. And then I can just run them. Here's the plug-ins for the lights. I can just run them down. There's holes, there's gaps right here. I can run them down. And they should be able to reach the lights across here. I'm not hooking anything up right now. Here is the positive will go here, and the negative will go here, and I'm gonna have everything tucked down and under here. But right now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna run it under here and have it come out right where it's at right here. And it'll be well hidden, and then once you put the grill on, you won't see anything. But that's all I can do right now until I get the brackets to mount my driving lights, and I ordered the fog lights yesterday, so they should be here in a few days. When they come in, then I'll have to fabricate the brackets so they'll fit under there, and then I'll be able to hook everything up, negative and positive, hit the switch inside, and see how everything looks. This is just part 1 of the installation of my fog and driving lights. More videos will be coming in a few days. Until then,